Welcome back to Dinar Community, where truth meets transparency in the world of currency revaluation. Today's report isn't just another speculative update or market buzz. What we have for you is groundbreaking. If you've held onto your Iraqi dinar, patiently watching and waiting, this is the moment you've been hoping for. A moment of truth, officially confirmed and recognized on the global stage. The revaluation (RV) of the Iraqi dinar is real, active, and shaking the financial world to its core. This is no rumor, no anonymous tip or vague online post. This is fact, officially declared and historically significant. Get ready, because what we're about to unpack could represent one of the most impactful monetary events of our era. It's more than financial news, it's a signal of Iraq's resurgence and a turning point for those who believed in the dinar's potential. Just hours ago, an international press conference changed everything. Global media networks broadcasted a unified message: the Iraqi dinar has been revalued. Standing before the cameras were Iraq's central bank leaders, government ministers, economic advisors, and key global financial figures. They didn't speak in riddles or estimates. They were clear and direct. The Iraqi dinar now carries a new, confirmed exchange rate of $6.05 per one Iraqi dinar. Yes, you heard that right, $6.05. This is more than a simple price change, it's a declaration that Iraq is stepping forward as a financial powerhouse. For years, projections of a future RV hovered around $1.50 to $2. Even those numbers were considered ambitious. But now, Iraq has shattered expectations with a rate that no one dared predict. Financial markets reacted instantly. From Wall Street to Dubai, banking systems lit up with activity. Currency trading platforms saw spikes. Banks updated rates. Exchange counters flooded with inquiries. For long-time investors, some who've held dinar for over 10 years, portfolios surged in value. The emotional response has been powerful, from cautious hope to outright celebration. This isn't just an RV, this is a global financial event of generational scale. Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani delivered a powerful national address alongside central bank executives. His tone was firm and celebratory. This revaluation, he emphasized, is a symbol of Iraq's restored sovereignty, economic strength, and national pride. He acknowledged the tireless work of policymakers, religious leaders, and community voices who laid the foundation for this transformation. His message was one of unity and resurgence. The dinar is no longer a relic of past turmoil, it's now a beacon of progress. The impact is personal. Whether you've invested modestly or heavily in the dinar, this development is life-changing. But with opportunity comes responsibility. Financial experts are urging holders not to act impulsively. Instead, take time to understand the procedures. Taxes may apply, documentation may be required, and large exchanges could take time to process. Before making any moves, contact your financial institution. Be ready with proof of purchase, ID, and follow their protocol. Each bank may have unique requirements, so preparation is key. Many institutions across North America, Europe, and the Middle East have begun adjusting systems to reflect the new rate. Some even report slightly higher numbers due to regional factors. But one fact remains solid: the RV is real and in motion. As part of this new chapter, Iraq also launched its central bank digital currency, CBDC, the digital dinar. This isn't just a modern convenience, it's a bold leap toward future-ready finance. Built on blockchain technology, the digital dinar will enhance transaction speed and security, especially for international payments. Physical dinars will still be accepted, but the digital version paves the way for Iraq's integration into a tech-driven global economy. In the coming days, detailed steps will be released for converting physical currency to digital, setting up verified digital wallets, and accessing new banking platforms. For dinar holders, this innovation offers a chance to participate in a digitally advanced financial environment. The international response has been swift and telling. The United States has expressed cautious support, noting the potential while keeping an eye on long-term effects. European and Gulf nations responded enthusiastically, ready to build stronger ties with Iraq. Iran, on the other hand, criticized the move, a signal, some say, of Iraq's growing independence and influence. On social media, the emotion is palpable. Celebrations have erupted, fireworks, street parties, people embracing, crying with joy. Online platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter are overflowing with testimonials. For many Iraqis and global dinar holders alike, this is not just financial news, it's a validation of hope, patience, and belief. And yet, this is just the beginning. The Central Bank of Iraq will continue issuing updates on the digital dinar rollout. Meanwhile, international bodies such as the IMF and U.S. Treasury are expected to release new regulatory guidance. These developments will affect how exchanges happen, how wallets function, and how cross-border transfers are monitored. For investors, wisdom and discipline will be essential. Don't get swept up in hype. Verify every piece of information through trusted, official sources. Avoid unregulated services or social media speculation. The RV is real, but the legacy you build with it depends on how well you manage this moment. After years of skepticism and doubt, the Iraqi dinar has emerged from the shadows. Dismissed by many as a fantasy, it now stands at the center of a financial revolution. And for those who held on, despite criticism and uncertainty, this is your time. A time of reward, of renewed purpose, and of legacy. But wealth alone does not define success. Smart planning, asset protection, and diversified investments are now more important than ever. Pay off debt. Avoid unnecessary luxury spending. Consider trusts, wealth management strategies, and future-proof planning. This isn't just your windfall, it's your foundation for the future. Stay connected to Dinar Community for the latest verified updates, insights, and strategies. Like, comment, and subscribe to be part of this transformative chapter in history.